Hello! How to make full use of a pineapple with zero waste, part 2. Stay tuned! Hi guys, welcome to our channel, Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs, and I am Bucky. These are our pineapple seeds. This is a continuation of my first video, how to make use of a pineapple, full use of a pineapple with zero waste. So I have my organic potted soil ready, and we're just gonna sprinkle the seeds and slightly cover with soil. I just want to say thank you to you, my wonderful subscribers, for always coming back to watch my videos. And in case you're visiting this channel for the first time, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you are notified whenever I post new videos. So let's finish sprinkling our seeds. And I'm trying this for the very first time. I am curious to see what's going to happen with these seeds, because I've never really heard of anyone growing pineapples from seeds. So I like adventure. I like to try out new things. I mean, if it works, it works. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But at least I tried something. So I have my container indoors. I want to try it first of all indoors. So I'm resting my container on something so that you could use a plate or whatever you have to trap the water after watering, because if not, you'll make a mess. Remember, I'm doing it indoors. So you just slightly water like I'm doing, and actually, oops, yeah, it's quite a good bit of, yeah. So this took forever and nothing happened. I took it outside, and 2 months later, these beauties decided to show up. I was so excited. Oh my goodness, look at how lovely they're looking. Can you imagine growing pineapple from seeds? There you go, guys. You've seen it for yourself. Thank you for watching and always coming back to watch my videos. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell for more videos, like and share. Goodbye.